You will listen to an interesting story about a boy called Nick, his friend Lisa, robot Rommy, and their technological discoveries. In a small town where the birds sang so beautifully that even the stones seemed to dance, there lived a boy named Nick. Nick was an ordinary boy with an extraordinary passion: science. He dreamed of becoming a great scientist and inventor. From morning till night, Nick read books about experiments, collected old gadgets, and dreamed of creating something amazing. One day, Nick met up with his best friend, Lisa. Lisa wasn't just a friend, she was a true artist when it came to making incredible things. They often came up with creative ideas together. While walking around town, they stumbled upon a mysterious house. A sign on the door read, "Smart House. Enter carefully." Without a second thought, Nick and Lisa decided to go inside. When they opened the door, they found a huge room filled with blinking lights and buzzing gadgets. A TV on the wall told jokes by itself, and a teacup on the table poured tea on its own. Suddenly, a small robot rolled out and introduced itself. "Hi, I'm Rommy. How can I help you?" Nick and Lisa were amazed. They asked Rommy to show what he could do. He cooked, cleaned, and even played soccer. Lisa had an idea. "Can we invent something to help my grandma with cooking?" Rommy agreed, and together they built a machine using old gadgets they found in the house. The three of them decided to start an experiment. They gathered old items from the house: a broken microwave, some light bulbs, wires, and even an old kettle. But during testing, things got a bit silly. When they asked Rommy to boil eggs, he accidentally created an egg cannon, shooting boiled eggs everywhere. Laughing, Nick and Lisa worked hard and finally built the super cooker, a machine that could make recipes automatically. It was time to test their invention. Nick, Lisa, and Rommy took it to Grandma's house. She looked surprised when they brought the strange device. "What's this?" Grandma asked. "It's the super cooker. It will help you cook," Nick explained. At first, Grandma wasn't sure, but when Nick pressed the button, the machine started preparing a yummy vegetable casserole. The smell filled the kitchen, and Grandma was amazed. But suddenly, the machine made a funny noise and a few boiled eggs shot out, flying across the room again. "Oh no, super cooker, not this again," Nick laughed. Everyone in the room laughed too, even Grandma, who couldn't stop giggling. Tired but happy, Grandma hugged Nick and Lisa. "Thank you, my dears. You didn't just invent a wonderful machine. You brought so much joy into my home." Nick and Lisa learned that science isn't just about inventions. It's also about having fun and making people happy. From that day, they kept experimenting, bringing creativity wherever they went. Explore this world without hesitation. It will bring you lots of joy and fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to us. We will be extremely grateful if you subscribe and like this video.